In my hair?
Yeah. When we're done with the hair, we'll do it like that. Alright, you ready?
Okay.
You gonna try to catch it? Alright, now, turn over. I think oh! Hey beauties, it's Jazz and welcome to my YouTube channel, Amaza Beauty. Things are moving fast, so I'm just going to jump right in. This video will be knotless braids with a heart on the side. I've shown you how to do my brick leg pattern on my daughter with triangles. This time I'm going to show you just using regular parts. And as I just showed you, I'm using my favorite jam to braid with, Evolving Textures O-Gel. So I've already sectioned off her whole head. I showed you how I do that in that video that I just mentioned. If you haven't watched that video, I'm gonna put the link to it somewhere in the video right here. Go check it out and come back and watch this one. If you didn't already watch that video I mentioned, I'm not gonna say anything. Just click the link and go back and watch it because I detail how I section off her whole head before I start braiding, and that sectioning is really helpful to me. So this is how I do my knotless braids. Once I have the section of the braid that I want, I split that into 3 sections. And then I begin to add in pieces of hair that are around the same size as the natural hair that I have sectioned out. And I just continue to add hair into the braid until the braid gets to the size that I want it to be. And I just want to apologize in advance. I got my nails done way too long, so you guys are going to have to watch me struggle through this video as they got in my way while I was braiding. So I left this clip in to show you what I mean by brick lay. So basically I finished the bottom row, and when I move to the row on top, I want each of those braids to sit in between the braids on the bottom. This is a good technique, so when the braids are all down, they basically just lay right into each other and not sit on top of each other and have a whole bunch of spaces in between. So here you see me parting or separating my braids and applying product to them. One thing about knotless braids, cornrows, any type of braid that you are doing, don't be afraid to use a lot of product. The product is what's going to make your look polished. It's what's going to hold that braid in place. I used to be scared to use a lot of jam. No, slap it on, smooth it in with that comb, and get the base of that braid smooth. And once you have the base smooth, continue to use the product all the way down the braid, at least until you're past the person's natural hair, because you want that person's natural hair to stay in that braid, not be poking out. So once again, beauty, say it with me. Part your braid, apply your product, smooth your braid with your comb, section your braid, and start adding your hair in. And I know y'all see me back here looking like Rocky right after he ran up the stairs in the movie, but I was comfortable, so you know, just mind your business. That's all, just mind your business. And I need Disney or Nickelodeon to cut me a check for this girl. But anyway, here we are starting the heart that's on the side. I just section it off here if she would keep her head still. And now I'm just going to split it down the middle. I still haven't mastered these hearts. They never turn out the way I have them in my head, but I can tell you how to do them. So once you split them down the middle, you want to come in and part upwards from the middle of the part in the middle up to the top of the heart. Once you do that, then you want to begin to braid and add your braiding hair in and just curve it around your part. When you're curving it up, make sure you bring it all the way up so that the heart stays in shape and your braid is not dipping down into the middle of your part. If that makes any sense. I'm still grasping this concept, so as I get better at it, maybe I can explain it better for you, but for now, you guys can just watch. So I'll just be quiet and you can watch me do the other side. The video is gonna kind of keep skipping ahead because I cut out the parts of the video where my shoulder was in the way and you really couldn't see what I was doing anyway. So I wanted to freeze frame right here just so you can see exactly what I was talking about when I mentioned bringing your braid all the way up into the corner of the heart. If you notice, my heart is smaller than the space I actually parted it out for it to be because I didn't bring it all the way up to the corner and now it's kind of sitting on the inside of the heart. If I had brought that corner or that braid all the way out to the outside of my part, the heart will be bigger and I feel like it would look better. Not that this one looks terrible, but it just wasn't what I was going for. So you notice me clip the first side of the heart when I was done with that, and now that I finished the second side of the heart, I'm gonna actually combine both of those braids together. I'm just gonna pull the other side in and turn it into one braid. Y'all friend just got off the school bus. Jihan says, hey guys.
Hey!
So we're almost to the end of the video. It was pretty late at night when we were doing this, so this is the last thing that I actually recorded. I did most of the braids off camera and I just left one or two for me to film in the morning, and here that is. It was like 6 in the morning. I thought I was recording as I put the silver embellishment around the heart, but I wasn't. I sincerely apologize for that, and the next time that I add that to some braids, I will definitely make sure that I do it on camera. So here's the finished product, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it, leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on all my social medias at Amaza Beauty. And thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys, and I'll try to keep the content coming. Bye, beauties.